The upcoming three-match test series between England and Pakistan may be relocated to the UAE or Sri Lanka due to ongoing renovation work in Pakistan. The venues for the series, Multan, Karachi, and Rawalpindi, might not be ready on time. The PCB will discuss alternative options with the England and Wales Cricket Board (ECB) in the coming days. The UAE is a potential option, but they are also hosting the ICC Women's T20 World Cup. Sri Lanka could be affected by rain. Pakistan recently suffered a shocking defeat against Bangladesh in Test cricket. Suryakumar Yadav, known as Sky, should prioritize T20I cricket for Team India. With the departure of senior players, he can build a new team, captain multiple T20 World Cups, pave the way for the next generation, manage workload, and aim to become the most prolific T20I batter. England white ball captain Jos Buttler will miss the 2020 series against Australia and might also miss the one-day series due to a right calf injury. Jamie Overton replaces Buttler in the T20 squad, while Phil Salt takes over as captain. Buttler has been out since July and has had a setback in his recovery. The T20 series begins on Wednesday and the ODI series starts on Sept. 19. England has already started blooding a new generation of leaders this summer. The Duleep Trophy 2024 has kicked off with India C facing India D and India A taking on India B in the Red Ball domestic tournament. This tournament holds significant importance as it is a preparation for the upcoming two-test series against Bangladesh. While key players like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah, Ravichandran Ashwin, Ravindra Jadeja, and Mohammad Siraj are not participating, others are showcasing their skills. Shreyas Iyer, who lost his place in the test side, is aiming to impress the selection committee. However, he could only manage 9 runs off 16 balls before being dismissed. Axar Patel performed well for India D, scoring more than 80 runs. Sarfaraz Khan, who impressed in his debut test series, is competing with KL Rahul for a place in the test squad. Unfortunately, he was dismissed after scoring 9 runs off 35 balls. Rishabh Pant, who is set to return to the Red Ball team, also struggled, scoring only 7 runs off 10 deliveries. After playing against Bangladesh, the Indian team will face New Zealand in 3 test matches, followed by a 5-test series against Australia in the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Team India opener Yashasvi Jaiswal has described batting with captain Rohit Sharma as an incredible experience, learning a lot from him. Jaiswal, who debuted in July 2023, has become a consistent batter in Test cricket, scoring over 1,000 runs in 9 matches at an average of 68.53. He also credits Rohit for helping him adjust his batting on different tracks. Jaiswal's reading of the game has improved since playing international cricket and he expressed his desire to keep learning. The Pakistan Cricket Board will conduct fitness tests before issuing central contracts for the new season. The tests will take place from 6 September to 8 September in Lahore, supervised by white ball head coach Gary Kirsten. Performance in the tests, as well as with the bat and ball, will determine which players receive contracts. The number of contracts given this year is expected to decrease based on players' performances. Bangladesh recently defeated Pakistan 2-0 in a test series. Former England skipper Michael Vaughan has named Joe Root as the best test batter, but Adam Gilchrist disagrees and chooses Virat Kohli. Gilchrist points out Kohli's impressive innings against Australia in Perth in 2018. Root recently scored 2 consecutive hundreds, while Kohli's last Test 100 came in July last year. Root has an impressive career record with 34 Test centuries, while Kohli has 29 hundreds. Gilchrist believes Kohli is better in Australia, while Vaughan supports Root in other places. Mumbai Indians, MI, have retained their position as the most valued IPL franchise, surpassing Chennai Super Kings, CSK, despite their unsuccessful campaign in IPL 2024. ME's last title came in 2020 and the team has been struggling for consistency in recent years. The overall valuation of the IPL has declined by 10.6%, but the Women's Premier League has seen an 8% growth in its valuation. India is set to tour Australia for a 5-test series, with the challenge of reclaiming the Border Gavaskar Trophy in 2024. Former India bowling coach Paras Mhambare suggests Prasidh Krishna as a potential third pacer due to his ability to make use of the Kookaburra bowl and exploit bounds. However, Krishna is currently recovering from a lower quadriceps surgery and will miss the first round of the Duleep Trophy 2024. Former cricketer Salman Butt has backed Babar Azam, calling him the best batter in Pakistan, but emphasized the need to support Azam during tough times, highlighting his consistent place in the top 3 of the ICC rankings for batters across formats, but also questioned the availability of a better player than Azam and urged critics to bring in a replacement if they have one. He further highlighted that other batters have struggled as well and that Azam's performance should not be solely scrutinized. Azam has faced criticism for his recent performance against Bangladesh, where he scored only 64 runs across 4 innings.